At Sunstar Graphics, delivering a machine is only the beginning of the journey. We believe true success comes from empowering our customers with the knowledge and confidence to achieve the best possible results. Our technical team provides hands-on training designed to help operators understand machine functionality, workflow optimization, and best operating practices. Through practical demonstrations and real-world applications, we ensure every customer team is prepared to operate with confidence, efficiency, and consistency. Because at Sunstar Graphics, our commitment extends beyond installation. We are dedicated to supporting our customers at every stage of their production journey.